We've got some exciting updates on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series, but first, let's debunk some rumors. Reports suggested that Samsung might scrap the Plus model, but Android Headlines has retracted this information, confirming it as false. Now, onto the cool stuff. Samsung's Galaxy AI features are a hit, but don't get too comfortable, these features won't be free forever. Samsung plans to extend AI capabilities to more Galaxy devices and start charging for these tools from 2026. Moving on, we had a supposed prototype leak for the S25 Ultra, but it's actually an old S22 Ultra design. However, we do have some reliable info on the S25 Ultra's design, courtesy of Ice Universe. The phone's frame will be asymmetrical, with a more rounded middle frame near the back and a straighter part near the screen. This means a narrower middle frame and a smaller visual bezel than the S24. We're excited to share some stunning illustrations of the S25 Ultra from the talented Bennett Bunner, showcasing 3 possible design concepts based on the latest leaks. And I'm thrilled to announce that I'm working on some new concepts myself, which I'll be sharing in our next S25 video, stay tuned. But that's not all, we've also got some juicy news about the S25 series processor. It seems Samsung might not be using the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 exclusively due to production issues with their in-house chipsets. Could this be the perfect opportunity for MediaTek to shine? Rumors suggest Samsung is considering the Dimensity 9300 Plus for the new Galaxy Tab and the Dimensity 9400 for the S phones. While nothing's confirmed yet, this could be a game-changer for the tech giant. We've got you covered. For those purchasing the Galaxy S25 Ultra, you'll be enjoying the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 in all models. But for those eager to learn more about the entire series, we're about to dive into the full specs, design, and expected pricing to help you decide if it's worth the wait. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. First up, we have the standard Galaxy S25, boasting a stunning 6.36-inch Dynamic AMOLED display with enhanced brightness and color accuracy. You'll enjoy a smooth 120Hz display with HDR10+ and a resolution of 1080 by 2340, all protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 3. Take selfies like a pro with the 12-megapixel punch-hole camera, and capture life's moments with the triple camera setup featuring wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto lenses. Under the hood, the USA models will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, while global models will feature the Exynos 2500. Choose from 8 or 12 GB of RAM and 128 up to 512 GB storage, with UFS 4 for lightning-fast performance. Plus, with a 4100 mAh battery and 45W fast charging, you'll stay powered up all day. Enjoy seamless connectivity with 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, and ultra-wideband support. And it will launch with One UI 7 based on Android 15, starting at around $800 in January 2025.